Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video, I'm gonna show you the exact steps that you need to take to leave your 9-to-5 job and more importantly, have complete time and financial freedom. Now guys, this is the exact same blueprint and the exact same steps that I took to leave my 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer. So make sure to watch the whole video because I'm gonna walk you through everything step by step. Now guys, I have spent over $120,000 in courses, mentors, and masterminds, and even much more into paid advertising, doing things that didn't work. And I finally perfected this process, so make sure guys to take a ton of notes because I'm gonna be revealing some insane new strategies. Now guys, in the last 3 videos, I explained why the affiliate stacking ecosystem is the best way to create a passive income business, but more importantly, leave your 9-to-5 job and have complete time and financial freedom. And I showed you the 3 simple steps on how to create this passive income ecosystem, but more importantly, how this system will pay you for years and years to come. Now, I also showed you that you need to be building an email list. That way you have a long-term sustainable business that will last you a lifetime. Now in day number 3, which was the last video, I showed you a big industry secret that I have never released to anybody that helps get results to my students extremely fast. That method was called the bait and switch. So guys, make sure to go watch that video if you haven't seen that yet. But also guys, make sure to watch the first 3 videos of this free 6-part series because I go over some insane new strategies on the affiliate stacking ecosystem and how you can leave your 9-to-5 job. But now I'm going to be showing you exactly how the affiliate stacking ecosystem works. This is literally the exact blueprint that I and my students use to quit their 9-to-5 jobs, but more importantly, achieve financial freedom. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Let's go. Alrighty guys, I hope you're excited as I am because I have never revealed the affiliate stacking ecosystem like this. So this is literally what allowed me to quit my 9-to-5 job, okay? And if you remember in video number 2, I explained the 3 simple steps on how the affiliate stacking ecosystem works. So I'm going to walk you through this step by step. So if you recall, in step number 1, we have to find the core offer. That's literally the main driver of the affiliate stacking ecosystem. All right. This is typically a high ticket offer, but it doesn't have to be. All right. Now with this main affiliate offer, it's something that you have to believe in, right? It's something that you really think or you know is going to get people results. Okay. That being said, that's going to be the core of your business. All right. That's step number 1. Now, step number 2, if you recall in day number 2, I said we need to find supporting offers that supports the main core offer. Okay. Now, what most people do wrong is they get a ton of other offers that are basically there to confuse the customer. All right. And I'm going to show you an example of this in just a second, but this is my main core offer here, but then I have supporting offers that help my customer get that main core result. Again, if you're doing a weight loss course, then this is going to be your main offer, but your supporting offer can be something like a weight loss calorie app or weight loss food they can buy or weight loss belt, right? These are all your supporting offers that support that main core offer, okay? All right, so that's step number 1. Step number 2, again, we have to find this supporting offer here, okay? This is step number 2, or supporting offers. Now, you can have as many as you think your customer is gonna need. In my business, I have up to 30 offers, okay? Now, it's not only an offer used to help people, but it's also gonna give you more money, okay? So most people kind of stop here and they make, they make that commission, but this is gonna diversify your business and also keep you for the long term, all right? And I'm gonna explain this a little bit more. I just want you to kind of see the overall picture, all right? Now, step number 3, and this is the main driver, okay? We got to create this whole system, okay? This is the ecosystem we have to create. We have to create this machine, this system, okay? Now, most of you probably know how affiliate marketing works, but everyone's doing it the wrong way, okay? Everyone just sends people to their offer and that's it, okay? I want you to thrive and grow your business where you never have to worry about working a 9-to-5 job ever again, okay? So this is exactly what's gonna get you there. I have no doubt in my mind, and let me explain why, okay? So again, like any affiliate marketing guru teaches, right? They tell you to send traffic to an opt-in page, which is collecting emails, and then they send you to the main offer, okay? That's typically what you'll see. Now, what's different about this is it's built on building your own brand, your own business, right? Because as an affiliate marketer, we're promoting other people's products, okay? And that's good, but the only problem is we're not building our business and brand, right? So I want you to be here for the long term or forever. So this is what I do, okay? So I send traffic or customers to an opt-in page, right? Now, the goal here is to collect an email. Most of you know that, but that's gonna be like the most important part, okay? This is to collect an email address, and then this is my database, okay? This is where I collect all my emails, okay? This is typically called an autoresponder. Now, what's cool here is this is now where I can build my business here, okay? So now I can send emails to build value, trust, or tell my story. And I'm gonna explain why this is so important, okay? So what most people do here is they'll send people to an offer, to an offer, to an offer, to an offer. And what's gonna happen is people are just gonna stop opening your emails and your business is gonna die, okay? So what I do here is instead of sending them to the offer all the time, I'm sending them to a YouTube video, or it doesn't have to be a YouTube video. It can be a blog, or it can be an Instagram post, or your Facebook group, right? It doesn't have to be YouTube. YouTube's just the way I grow my business because I can interact with people better, okay? Now, again, you don't have to ever get on video to make this system work, but you can if you want to, okay? Now, this is kind of the process here. I send them to a YouTube video, then I'll send them back to the main offer, then I'll send them to maybe my Facebook group, and then build either I'll give them value, I'll tell them some sort of story to trust me, or I'll tell them a story, right? Value, trust, story. That's kind of how I do with my YouTube videos, all right? Now later on, I start adding a supporting offer, right? So, you know, maybe again, if they want to lose weight, maybe I can offer them a weight loss belt, right? If that's a supporting offer that I found, okay? And you can see how this works. You just rinse and repeat, right? You can go supporting offer all the way to offer number 30, 40, whatever you have, okay? The important thing to understand is I'm always sending them to a YouTube video or a blog or something where I can build more trust with my customers, okay? Really, really important. Now, this is where the magic happens, right? This is the affiliate stacking ecosystem. As you can see, it's a linear process, okay? So we're promoting supporting offers. We're not just promoting a bunch of random offers. That's gonna confuse the customer. That's really gonna kill your business, okay? So we wanna be promoting supporting offers which support that main core offer, and that main core offer should, again, it should be giving your customer that the main thing they want, right? It's gonna help them solve the problem they're looking to solve, okay? So that's how the affiliate stacking ecosystem works. Now, this is exactly how the affiliate stacking ecosystem works, but more importantly, this is the plan that's gonna get you to leave your 9-to-5 job, but more importantly, create that time and financial freedom. Now, all of this and a lot more is covered in my upcoming program, Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. This is where I show you step by step, click by click, how to set up the whole system, how to find the products, how to find the supporting offers, how to create the automated system that works for you every single day, 24/7 on autopilot. And of course, the most important part, I show you how to get unlimited leads, unlimited customers to that system that works 24/7 on autopilot. This is where you're literally watching over my shoulders as I walk you through the whole process step by step. But more importantly, I show you how to implement as we go through the process. Guys, make sure you're on the lookout for Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. This is literally gonna be the best information I've ever released on the marketplace, and no doubt in my mind, this is gonna be the best program ever released in affiliate marketing history. Now, if this is something you're interested in, guys, make sure to click the link down below to put your name on the early bird waitlist. Everybody on the early bird waitlist will get access to the registration link the day before the program actually launches to the public. Again, I'm only taking a handful of students. I'm gonna help them leave their 9-to-5 jobs using my new affiliate stacking ecosystem. So to get your name on the early bird waitlist, click on the link down below and put your name and email, and then you'll get access to the early bird waitlist, and that'll give you access to the registration link first. Now, in the next video, which is gonna be video number 5 in this free 6-part series, I'm gonna show you a specific example of a student that is crushing it using the affiliate stacking ecosystem. I promise you don't want to miss the next video. It's going to be extremely valuable. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. God bless.